When you come home from the hospital, you're going to have some aches and pains. And gradually that wears away, but you never get really, for the first few weeks, you really don't have the feeling that you're whole, that this is your hip. You feel like there is something there that's not quite right. About 2 months into it, maybe a month and a half into it, it was, why didn't I do this before? I don't notice any difference between what I had before with my natural hip when it was good and what I have now with these replacement hips. And both of my hip surgeries have been that way. I had therapy for both, after surgery therapy for both hips, and I believe that helped me a lot. But halfway through the therapy, which was only a couple weeks, 6 weeks long at the most maybe, both of those, I think, I felt like this is my hip. This is my joint now. It's not something that somebody else put into me. This feels no different than when I was a 16-year-old kid. I can bend, I can move, I can do it. Well, I can't dunk the basketball anymore, but I'm 58 years old. But I can do a lot of other things that I haven't been able to do for a long time.
Without surgery to replace Ted's joints, he would have been pretty significantly handicapped, not only with his normal activities of daily living, with the pain that it causes and the stiffness, but it would have affected his golf game significantly. People with bad hips particularly can't hit the ball straight, and they do so much compensating for their bad hips that they don't know where the ball's going.
The one way that I saw that I could thank Dr. Kepley was I knew that my handicap had been going up over the years, and I knew it was because of the lack of motion and the pain in my hips. So I went back and I looked for several years of my own handicaps, and I noticed that there was an upward trend in my handicaps until the surgeries. And then it dropped right back down to where I had been playing the type of golf I'd been playing before. And I credit all that to what these new hips of mine.